Forward motion, snap to Benefield, fake handoff, four-man rush, steps up, Benefield, he's going to take off and run, looking for the end zone, lowers the shoulder. Snap to Myler, fake handoff, going deep shot for Patron, through the fingertips of Patron. Snap to Myler, who hands off to Burgess, and he's wrapped up for a loss. Blues got to get this play off. Handoff to Cagle up the left side, he's got blockers into the end zone, touchdown. Field, three-man rush, Benefield steps up, looks downfield, pass caught. Breaking tackles is T.O. Redding into the end zone. Touchdown, Massachusetts.
Is a big thing in indoor football now in those short little check down passes.
Handoff to Burgess, breaking tackles up the right side, still on his feet. And the ball is free. Who has the football? This might be Massachusetts football. It appeared to take another squirt out of the pile, and I think Massachusetts is on top of this football, and they are. 7, Massachusetts with the lead. Handoff, Robinson cuts back inside, now back to the outside, into the end zone, touchdown Pirates. 2.5 minutes to go in the first half. Pitch out, Robinson cuts back inside, still on his feet, but takes a big do on third. Snap to Benefield, looking for the end zone, pass caught by Thomas Owens. Touchdown, Pirates. Myler in the shotgun, receivers in forward motion, takes a snap, three-man rush. Myler picked off, going the other way, Matt Elam. This is going to be a pick six. And a flag is out. Torrey Boyd with a late hit, and Myler takes a snap, three-man rush, looking for the end zone, pass caught! Jalen Cagle of situations like that across the IFL. Myler hands off to Cagle, he loses the football, and it's picked up going the other way, but a fumble again up against the dasher board. I think Massachusetts might have been on top of this. And it is Massachusetts football. Running out of time, they might need to stop here on defense. Benefield keeps it, throws across his body, deep shot for Zico, it's caught. Touchdown Pirates. Myler rolls out to the right, looking for the end zone, pass caught, Burgess, touchdown Green Bay. Myler fakes the handoff, and he runs right into the teeth of that defense. Turnover on downs from 18 yards out. The kick is good. Myler gonna keep it himself, he's into the end zone, touchdown Green Bay. Mevis getting ready to line this one up, and it will be fallen on by T.O. Redding. Snap handoff to Robinson. He's still on his feet, and Robinson's just going to dash his way in for a touchdown. Snap, Myler rolling out to his left, pressure on, deep to the end zone, and intercepted. Still a live ball, and this one is over. Viva!